Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Plug Power INC, and I have talked about this stock in the month of November and in the early part of December as well. So the stock has been rising since then and it has already given you a return worth 126%. So I hope you watched my previous videos, and if you don't, you can go and check it out my videos. It is available on my channel. Now, first of all, this was the trend or the resistance, after which once the stock made a breakout, it is making newer highs, okay, or higher highs. Now, because the stock has been um in this downturn since 2009, so this breakout has actually happened after a span of 12 years. Now, what does it mean? First you need to understand this, because with this kind of breakout it is actually a start of a new trend. But because the stock has been falling since 2000 and 2001, we can't call it as a new trend. We can call it as a strong rebound, because the stock has been underperforming after 2008. So now it's made a breakout after a span of 12 years. So what does it indicate? That the rally will sustain over a period of time, and there are lot higher levels which are yet to be seen. Okay, so with this we will start our trend analysis and the levels which we are going to look further on the upper side. Now, first of all, this is a long term chart, so whatever you may think here, you have to hold your position for a considerable amount of time. Although the stock has been moving with a rapid pace, but this does not work in each and every kind of market. If you are getting quicker returns, then it is fine, but if you don't, then you should understand that the stock has already risen a considerable amount. So here, from the lows of 2020 or 2019, the stock has already risen by 3000%. So if there is a correction, then obviously you have to understand and you have to compare that correction with the rise it has shown in the past couple of months. Now, first of all, you will have your first support at $26.37, and you will have your big support at $12.37. Now, you need to make sure that 12.37 must not get violated. So if the stock falls below 12.37, then the old trend or the downtrend will again resume. So by any means the stock should not fall below 12.37. Now, another thing is, the distance between 26 and 12 is large or huge, I would say. So if the stock started falling from the current level and or towards the 12.37, then you may lose 50 or 60% of your actual value of the invested amount. That's why you need to keep your stop loss at 26.37, and you need to think whether you can risk your capital and wait for 12.37, or you can close your position after the stock violates $26 on the downside. So that's where the big support comes. Now, on the upside, because the trend looks super strong, the next target which we are going to see in this chart will be 48.32, followed by, yeah, we have 116. So these are the two big levels which we are looking for this stock. First will be $48, and once it makes a breakout over 48 or $50, then three digits is not far away, and this is a very much possibility. And I'm telling you again that because the stock has moved a substantial amount, it does not mean that the stock will not move further, and you need to understand the overall trend. Let me give you one more scenario, and that is very much logical. Now, as you can see, the stock has been trading inside this range since 2008, okay, and then it had make a breakout. Meanwhile, the stock has risen 960% from this level, from 0.97 to 11.68, or at $12. Okay, now which means this is around 1000%, which means as the breakout has happened, we can actually expect a rise of $1000 after the breakout, and that will give us a target which is near to or as high as, I would say here, around $130. Okay, $130, that's what we are looking for, and that's what I have probably given to you, 116, but we can extend it to this level like this. So technically there is a possibility that the stock may go towards or in between 116 and $130 on the upside, and these are the big levels which one may see in this particular stock. But one should hold their position and trail your stop losses. Be a disciplined person, you will get rewarded. Don't be, or don't do any kind of fuzzy things into the market. Otherwise, if you get rewarded, you will get lucky. If you don't, then it will be a problem for you. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.